Mama Travel! Hi, this is Mama Travel, and yeah, Pluto's moves, plus 5 moves.
Hello, and welcome to the channel HotMamaTravel.com. Kent has been super into space lately, so today we're taking you and the family on an adventure to one of Los Angeles' most famous landmarks, Griffith Observatory.
Recorded the super birthday flood of gamma rays pouring out from an object in space.
Wow.
This image that targets the source's location in the constellation caused by collision between black holes or by neutron star black hole merging. Gamma rays in the electronic spectrum.
Wow! Inside, you'll find fascinating exhibits that make science and space come alive. From models of solar systems to interactive displays, there's something to spark the curiosity in kids and adults alike. There are even guided tours and shows to enhance your experience. Don't miss the Tesla coil demonstration, it's electrifying. This high voltage show was a hit for the whole family.
It's a lot bigger than the sun.
Yeah, because look, our sun is that big. Sirius A is like.
What's the biggest one?
The biggest star in the whole entire world is Stevenson. I think it's Stevenson.
Wow. Kent! What?
This is Charlie. Okay, so start here and use Manning. You start here and
Everyone's favorite exhibit was the solar system display on the lower level, where you could learn about each planet and even see how much you'd weigh. That is how much you weigh.
And Mommy, now you stand on there.
All right, let's see how much I weigh. Oh, look. Not bad. Yes.
I weigh.
All right, so you're a little heavier on Venus, huh? Here's Earth. And how much do you weigh on Earth? Yep, that's probably accurate. Let's see how much I weigh on Earth. Claire? Oh, whoa, that jumped up real high.
moons.
Whoa!
Pluto's the largest moon. Chiron and our identity looked always showed each other in all kinds of.
The knowledgeable staff and engaging presentations make complex topics easy to understand.
This is a polished section of a stony meteorite that was found in Africa.
Wow. Stony iron?
Stony iron meteorite was in Chihuahua, Mexico.
Wow. And iron.
Another iron.
Wow.
Whoa.
Oh, the
But the highlight of the day for Kent was getting to hold a real-life meteorite.
It has planets on it.
What?
Alright, you guys being ready to see what's in this box? This is an actual meteorite. Would you like to hold it? Let me
Careful.
hold it out. It's a little heavy. It is very heavy.
Yeah, be
So,
very careful.
yeah, be careful. I'll let go slowly. It's heavier than it looks. So, ready?
Put your-
Got it? You want to hold it there? You good?
Oh my gosh, say cheese.
This is
You're holding a meteorite. Just make sure you leave it over there so you don't drop it on the floor.
You want to guess what it's made of? It's not made of cheese. And very good. Yes. 92% iron, 7% nickel. Alright. And everything in our solar system. You have 3.
She's 3.
How about 4?
I'm 6.
You're 6? Oh, you're 3 years
Yes,
old.
I'm on summer break.
Oh, very nice.
Good?
Awesome.
Oh yeah, I'm
not sure.
Mom. Okay, it's heavy.
Heavy, right?
Yeah.
Guess how heavy?
The Griffith Observatory is perched up on the hills, giving you a breathtaking view of the entire city of Los Angeles. And if you turn around, you get a perfect view of the iconic Hollywood sign. If you're hungry, you can grab a bite at the on-site cafe. In addition to inside seating, there is a patio for dining al fresco and taking in those LA views. So Cantos, what happened to your lip here?
Oh, I sucked on my.
sucked on his Gatorade and it gave him a mustache.
Oh no, he gave himself.
I'm Homer Simpson.
Head outside to the telescopes for some real stargazing. On clear nights, you can see planets and distant stars. Nightly telescope viewing starts at 7 p.m. Of course, we couldn't leave without scoping out some cool souvenirs at the gift shop. What is that?
Barbie.
Astronaut Barbie? Wow. Then we ended the day with a fun evening at the Grove before heading home. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, hotmamatravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.